Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for paper call marketers. We've gone over 3 ways in part 1 where you can easily and seamlessly automatically route calls with Ringba to maximize your marketing campaigns. Well, here are 3 more ways you can optimize your campaigns with call routing. A duplicate call is when a caller picks up the phone, dials, calls, and connects with an agent. Then they pick up the phone, dial, and call again. It's important to manage your duplicate call flow properly. If you don't have your own call tracking when you're working with a network, then you have no control over this flow. And typically, networks don't pay for duplicate calls. With Ringba, you maintain control and get paid. Before you route a call somewhere, you need to be sure that there's an agent somewhere that's gonna answer it. Ringba makes it easy to configure hours of operation for all your targets and buyers. You can even include lunch breaks. When a consumer picks up the phone and calls, Ringba takes a look at all of the hours of operations of all of your buyers. And if any of those buyers are closed or unavailable, Ringba just won't send the call to them. It doesn't matter what the payout is, the call only goes to whoever is available and open. Concurrency is the number of simultaneous calls that a buyer can receive or is receiving at one time. By configuring concurrency caps, you can intelligently determine if all the agents in a buyer's call center are busy and then automatically reroute your call flow to a buyer that can accept them. Now, if you decide you want to track your calls, Ringba makes it easy and seamless. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the premier call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per call, visit www.ringba.com.